diagram a BMD. If you understand this topic is clearly, solving a beam design problem will becomes a much easier. So by the end of the day is a complete course. So we will be able to draw SFD and a BMD for almost any beam. So grab your notebook and let's begin. First of all, what is a beam? A beam is a structural member designed to carry load that act a perpendicular to its length. So its mainly function is the transfer this load safely to the support. Think about put the roof of your house, the slab resist on beam. Those beam transfer the weight to columns. Finally, the columns transfer to the load the foundation. So the load for this roof, beam, column, foundation, and soil. So shortly, a beam is a horizontal structural member that resist a transfer loads and transfer them to the supports. So this is called a beam. So now discuss a types of beam. So now let's discuss the common types of beam. Is one is a simply supported beam. So simply supported beam at a both ends, yeah, you can know that. So this is a simply supported beam. You can see this is a one side is fixed and another side is a roller support. So this called is a simply supported. So this is a rotation freely if no moment is developed at the supports, and is called a simply supported beam. So now discuss a cantilever beam. Cantilever beams is a fix of the one end. Everyone see these balconies and every structure is a cantilever beam used a fix one end and free at the other ends is cantilever beam. Example include a balconies and traffic signboard would used in a cantilever beam. So number three is a fixed beam. Fixed beam is a two fixed. Both ends are fixed. Rotation is not the fixed beam. This beam is develop a large the moment. This called is a fixed beam. Now continuous beam. Continuous beam is support one more than two support. So you can see this. This is one kind of beam. So this is a two, then three. This is a continuous support. Is a continuous support beam. Very common is a bridge and a multi-storage building use this continuous beam. So now discuss a short terms is a types of beam is a simply supported cantilever and fixed continuous beam is a commonly used in our civil engineering structures. So now discuss a types of support. So types of support, every beam requires a support. So support prevents the movement. There are three basic types of supports. Is one number is a fin support and types is a horizontal movements, and the is vertical movement and allows the rotation is the called the support, fin supports. So and reactions is horizontal forces and vertical forces and roller vertical forces. So now supports is a roller support. Is a roller support is a stop only vertical movement and allow horizontal movement, the reactions and reaction vertical force only. And now is a fixed support. Fixed support is a stop every movement, no horizontal movement, no vertical movement, no rotations is called is a fixed support. So reaction is a horizontal force and a vertical force moment is called a vertical force. So both a fin is S plus B and a roller equal B and fixed equal S plus B plus M. So this is called a support. So now discuss about a types of load. Load are force acting on the beam. So let's understand the important types is supporting to the loads in comes to the beam. So first we note the point load. Act point load act at the one location. Example, a place, a heavy mechanical place on the beam. you can note many commercial building use in a generator. So generator used in a one point. So this beam site. So this is a commonly used in a point load. So unit weight is a kilonewton. And now discuss about a uniform distribution load. So uniform distribution load is steered. You can comparing the steer. So load is equally distributed. Example: brick wall, a concrete slab, and a road pavement, and use in a UDL. So now is a unit is a kilonewton per meter. So now discuss is a uniformly bearing load. So uniformly bearing load is a load changes is a gradually usually triangle. So this is a UBL. So unit weight is a kilonewton per meter you are using, and moment load uh, now is moment load applied at the turning forces, then use calculate the moment load. So moment load always kilonewton meter is calculate. So our load is point load and uniform distribution load, and UBL uniformly bearing load, and moment is used in a beam. So now discuss why do you study in SFD and BMD. So now you may ask everyone why are shear force and bending movement so is important? Because engineering must know where the beam experience a maximum moment process and maximum bending. Using a SFD and a BMD, we can design a safe beams and determine the requirement and the reinforcement and the pavement structure failure and ensure economic design. Without SFD and BMD, structure design is not completed, right? So this is a very important part in structural design in SFD and BMD. So in this next session we will learn what is the shear force and what is the bending moment, sign conventions, and basic rules for SFD and BMD. If you find this session is helpful, do not forget the like and share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, and all I will see you in the next classes. So this is a basic part of a shear force and bending moment diagram. So if you any questions in this live session, please comment our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our live session.